Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to restore missing downloads folder in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you want to open up your File Explorer right here. Now what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top, click on the three dots, and then just go ahead and click on Options. And then here, click on Restore Defaults. Okay. Now once that's done, click on Apply, click on OK. Now after that, go ahead and refresh the page right here and check if your downloads folder is available. If not, just go ahead over to this PC, Windows or local disk C, and then go ahead over to Users, your specific username. Now, you should be able to see the downloads folder right here. Okay, just double click on it and check. As you can see, now go ahead and go back, right click on it, click on Pin to Quick Access. Okay, here we have it. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and pin this one to your Start menu as well. So right-click, Pin to Start. Click on your Start menu, and you should be able to see the Downloads folder. That is it. That's how simple it is to restore missing a Downloads folder in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.